That's a rock ptarmigan as opposed to a willow ptarmigan. The rock ptarmigan live up here in the rocky parts of the mountains. They're a little smaller and they make a different sound. Look, there's a ptarmigan right there. I knew I should have brought the 22. Having to pick my way through these boulders is taking so much time. I gotta be careful I don't fall down. Oh, I am exhausted. My limbs are numb. It's slick. It's getting dark. It's really easy for me to take a bad fall here. I've got to be careful.